Advanced manufacturing is evolving, and emerging technologies like artificial intelligence are enabling the production of better products more efficiently. As AI moves into industrial applications, smart manufacturing is becoming a game changer. We'll explore a specialized form of AI that is helping to make American manufacturing smarter, safer, and more competitive in the U.S. National Science Foundation's Discovery Files.
Whenever you enter into the manufacturing facility, the AI system can tell you detailed technical information.
Bingbing Li is a professor at California State University Northridge and part of an NSF-supported collaboration that has developed a manufacturing, vision, and language artificial intelligence assistant system called MaViLa that combines the natural language processing of popular text-based AI systems with image analysis. The specialized system is designed to overcome the challenges that arise in the fast-moving environment of a factory floor to optimize the manufacturing process, helping to detect problems while suggesting improvements and communicating with factory machines in real time. The MaViLa system supports human workers by helping them make efficient decisions, driving U.S. competitiveness in a constantly evolving world.
We still need the human domain experts, this next generation of workforce, to make the manufacturing community better.
Learn more about this research by listening to NSF's Discovery Files podcast, Smart Manufacturing.